Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a lint filter door flap in your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a 5/16 inch socket or nut driver to unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Slide the top panel back and lift up to detach. Use a 1/4 inch socket or nut driver to unthread the control panel housing mounting screws. Disconnect the control panel wire connector from the main control board. Lift up the tabs to detach the housing. Disconnect the door switch wire connector. Next, lift up the front of the dryer and support it. Then use the 1/4 inch socket or nut driver to remove the 4 lower mounting screws securing the front panel. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Open the dryer door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the front panel to the bulkhead. Using the 1/4 inch socket or nut driver, unthread the upper mounting screws. You can now lift the front panel up to detach it from the cabinet. Disconnect the sensor wire connector and remove the lint filter. Using the 1/4 inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 3 screws securing the lint filter housing. Remove the housing. Release the foam tape so you can separate the 2 halves of the housing. If still intact, bend the lint filter door flap you're replacing to remove the old flap from the housing. Install the new lint filter door flap by first aligning the spring on the appropriate pin. Make sure there is tension on the spring as you insert the door flap pins into the housing slots. Join together the 2 halves of the housing and secure the foam tape. Reposition the lint filter housing on the front bulkhead. Rethread the screws to secure. Reconnect the sensor wire connector and replace the lint filter. Reinstall the front panel by first feeding the door switch wire harness under the support brace. Then align the panel on the cabinet tabs. Rethread the upper mounting screws. Support the front of the dryer to replace the lower screws. Secure the 2 screws behind the door as well. Connect the door switch wire connector. Insert the control panel housing tabs into the slots in the front panel and snap the housing into place. Rethread the mounting screws. Connect the wire connector to the main control board. Realign the top panel and slide it into position. Secure the screws. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.